Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a battery on the iPad Pro 10.5 edition. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most vital part in iPad repair is proper heating. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has done, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic car pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the RFlex cables attached to the logic board. Once the separation is completed, slightly slide up from the bottom and lift to 90 degrees from the top. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, take out the screen by disconnecting 4 connector plugs. Take out the screen and then undo the screw on the battery connector. Next, undo 10 screws and take out the logic board shield. Next, undo 4 screws on the charging port connector. Next, disconnect 4 connector plugs on the top end of the logic board. Next, undo 2 antenna heads from the board and then loosen adhesives to disconnect the left and right speaker plugs. Next, apply the heat to soften the glue on the logic board and the battery. For this, we are using a heating pad, but on the rear side. Next, undo 1 more plug in the board. Once the heating has completed, next, using a card pry tool, cut the adhesive under the board. Next, slightly insert a pry tool to lift the board. Next, using a pry tool, cut the adhesive under the board. Be gentle in this process and lift the board slowly. Take out the logic board and then, using a pry tool, cut the adhesive under the battery. The battery stick is very strong and it will take some time to cut the adhesive. While lifting, loosen the adhesives from both sides. For the replacement, always use a good battery. Next, place the battery in the body with adhesive, and also place the speaker adhesives. Next, gently place the logic board in the body. First, slightly insert the charging port of the body and ensure the placement, and then move cables aside before securing the board in the body. Next, secure 5 connector plugs to the board. Next, connect both speaker plugs and place adhesives. Next, place both antenna heads to the board. Next, place the board shield by adding 10 screws. Next, secure the screw on the battery connector. Next, add 4 screws in the charging port connector. Next, place the LCD assembly unit in the body by securing 4 connector plugs. Keep the screen to 90 degrees from the bottom and start connecting plugs. Make sure all connections are secured and then add the shield by adding 2 screws. Next, before clamping, it is good to verify the screen functionality and then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. You can use B7000 glue or new double-sided adhesive. Place the bottom section first, then follow to the top and click sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame size and verify the home button sits and clicks precisely. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.